Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about one of the parameters of active learning, that is peer instruction. At the end of this presentation, we will learn what is peer instruction and what are its benefits. A teacher delivers the lecture wholeheartedly with the expectation that students are learning and adapting the subject. But the results are not as desired. Now the question is why? The content is good, delivery is good, and diagrams are good. The study shows students' energy level is lowest when they are in class. Therein, a unique teaching method of peer instruction was introduced by Eric Mazur, a professor of Harvard University. The concept says peer instruction is a form of collaborative learning where students engage with core course concepts and then explain these concepts to one another. The peer instruction model. Basically, peer instruction consists of asking challenging multiple choice questions during the lecture. Thereupon, the students have to discuss in peers and decide on the correct answer. At the end, a voting is performed and the instructor can provide explanation depending on the voting result. Let's go for a reflection spot. What is peer instruction? Instructor discussion, collaborative learning, engagement of students with one another. B and C, none of them. The answer is B and C. The peer instruction consists of collaborative learning as well as engagement of students with one another. At the end, let's discuss the benefits of peer instruction. The very first benefit of peer instruction is it engages students in active learning. That is, they can apply ideas, skills, problem solving immediately in class. The second benefit is they can predict outcomes. While discussion, they can draw connection between the ideas. The third benefit is promote student-student discussion. Discussion creates a collaborative spirit for learning, helps in practice justifying the response to argument as well as mentoring their own thinking. The next point is provide feedback to the instructor about students' understanding. Next, it provides feedback to the students about their own understanding. And last, model helps in process of critical thinking through asking questions and figuring out answers in order to promote students doing this themselves. That's all for peer instruction. Thank you.